The weather is finally cooling down, and you know what that means. It's officially barbecue season. Weekends are all about gathering with family and friends and enjoying good food. This herbalicious roast potato salad made with Spinny's finest ingredients is a flavorful salad that is truly a must try. The baby potatoes are roasted to perfection, then tossed in a creamy tangy dressing that's so simple yet so delicious, then mixed with the crisp cucumbers and fresh herbs, and finally topped with crispy fried onions for extra punch of flavor. It's the perfect side that you can't get enough of. Plus, with Spinny's quality fresh produce, every bite is bursting with flavor. This recipe is all about celebrating the beauty of wholesome, simple ingredients. So, are you ready to bring some flavor to your next barbecue?